Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting mid-process. Open the part with the hole and confirm it's a single cylindrical face. Once done, measure the bore and set it slightly under the nominal thread major diameter so threads cut properly. Make sure design units match your spec. Switching between mm and inches will change thread sizing. Save a new version before altering geometry so you can backtrack. Now position the view to see the whole axis straight on and move to the Create menu to begin the thread command. You select Create then Thread and click the cylindrical face. Fusion highlights a thread preview. Now you decide. Uncheck Model for a cosmetic, printable thread or check Model to cut real helical geometry. For CAM or inspection you must model it. Choose the thread standard, size, and handedness. Pick full length or set a specific length. Once parameters read correctly, apply the feature. Make sure the preview matches expectations before confirming so you don't generate excessive geometry. You finish by inspecting a section cut through the thread to verify engagement and root clearance. If the modeled thread fails to generate, check that the hole depth exceeds 1 to 2 pitch lengths and that the start face has no chamfers. Simplify geometry and retry. Make sure to export the file type appropriate for your use. Step for inspection or modeled CNC, SDL with cosmetic thread notes for printing. One tip: if slicing or CAM shows odd collisions, revert and model a slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.